Be ready. Start. All these writ petitions raise a common point for consideration which pertains to the true scope and interpretation of Section 155 of the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966. The said question is raised specifically in the backdrop of acquisition of lands in question and vesting of such lands in the acquiring body. The petitioner Western Coalfields Limited, being the acquiring body, is contending that upon acquisition and vesting of the lands in question, the revenue authorities under Section 155 of the said code cannot exercise jurisdiction to carry out any correction in the revenue record. The impugned orders passed by the Tahsildar have been directly challenged in these writ petitions despite availability of alternative remedy of appeal, on the ground that the impugned orders have been passed without jurisdiction. Para. The brief facts leading to filing of the present writ petitions are that the petitioner WCL acquired lands of the private respondents, that is, the land owners, under the provision of the Coal Bearing Area Acquisition and Development Act 1957. The lands belonging to the respondent landowners were acquired for opening new coal mines, and accordingly notifications were issued under the Act of 1957 in order to initiate and complete the process of acquisition of lands belonging to the respondent landowners. The WCL claimed to have acquired the lands and taken possession thereof, at which stage the lands belonging to the respondent landowners were recorded in the revenue record as non-irrigated lands. This entry in the revenue record did have a crucial bearing on the determination of quantum of compensation, because compensation for irrigated land can be much higher than compensation for non-irrigated land. Para. The respondent landowners filed applications under Section 155 of the code. Along with the applications, the respondent landowners filed certain documents before the respondent Tahsildar, claiming that the lands were wrongly recorded as non-irrigated lands and that the entry ought to be corrected to irrigated lands. On 11th September 2016, the respondent Tahsildar passed an order exercising power under Section 155 of the Code and directed that the lands of the respondent landowners can be recorded as irrigated hands. Para. Aggrieved by the said order of the Tahsildar, the petitioner WCL filed number of writ petitions before this court. On 15th December 2018, this court, in writ petition number 2000 of 2016, held that while passing the aforesaid order dated 11th September 2016, notice was not issued to the petitioner WCL. Stop.